random taste tests of different types of stuff.
I got random candy from the store.
Random candy from the store that my
They
husband
They always fight over certain stuff, and they'll want certain chips or whatever, so that they don't fight or worry about I got what somebody else like all the time. I just got random stuff that no one has any idea what it is. Don't eat it. It's just candy.
What is it called? Tell them what it is.
You don't know.
Hold it back up because I can't tell you. Snarf move.
I don't even know what this is. This is in the store.
Ho-
Supposedly real fruit. Hot and salted tar something pulpar.
Hopefully, you
Delicious.
know what it is.
I'm on next.
Alright, go ahead.
You don't like it?
Alright, see what you got.
Tell me what you got, baby.
We didn't get to see it because he opened it too fast, but this is a Boo Boo Lulu bar.
What?
Boo Boo Lulu.
What in the hell? Never mind.
Taste me.
Go ahead.
Show us what it look like.
Go ahead. Bite into that joint. How's it taste? Share one with each of your brothers. You got plenty. Alright. Kari? Try yours.
What did you get? I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that because I'll be up here trying to stutter.
Let me see.
Okay, go ahead. Open it.
Aquarius.
What happened?
Oh, y'all see that?
What? What's the problem?
Oh, wait, you want to know? Jesus.
Let's see what it is first.
See what you got, Dakari.
We got whatever this says. You want to quiet down over there, bud? We got whatever this says. And he's gonna try this candy now. Go ahead, candy or whatever it may be. We don't even know. I don't want none.
It's
Got
good.
that for y'all.
You buy me?
It's y'all.
Somebody
Y'all
likes
enjoy
it.
it.
Oh, let's see this. It looks like a marshmallow almost on some type of cookie.
It smells
Good.
fresh.
Sweet. Good.
You want?
Let me try a piece.
15
All right.
days.
Who ain't getting it yet?
Me. Emily.
All right.
Okay,
come
now
on.
what did you got? Or what's the name of that?
Walking
What that package just says right there, guys.
Uh-huh.
Can y'all give me the name of the place of the orange original where it
all
came?
this stuff came from Dollar General.
No, the country it was made in.
I don't supposed to know.
Read the back of it.
I'm gonna read the back
I'm talking
of it.
about them, not you.
Oh. Man, it's too late. They already
California
Asia.
raisins.
Asia
started.
left.
California raisin. There you go. You got the safe one.
Mexico.
Okay.
Made in Mexico. Cool. This one.
What did it say?
I think spicy.
Okay.
Oh, no. Go ahead.
No, wait.
It's
No
like
wafer.
a wafer. Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
I want to try.
A wafer.
they give me one.
I want to try
And
that.
what is your, where was yours made at? Nathan.
Looks like Texas shit is intact.
They don't say where it's made yet.
Go back in the United States, probably. You want
And then we got
Made in
pork fish.
Mexico.
Mexico?
Oh, we all made in Mexico. None of them
Mexico.
made. Alright, y'all enjoy y'all scrumptious candy.
Not you. She ain't good.
Same thing.
You got
Those are
raisins.
good.
But, yeah,
She
get
didn't
all
go.
y'all stuff
She didn't go enjoy his.
and go to your rooms with.
Take your mambos. We already know what these are. Okay, take everything. Take your paper and stuff, and y'all enjoy.
This literally so funny.
Tell Dad thanks.
Thank you, Dad. Kind of.
What is spicy?
Bye, guys.
All right, say bye.
Bye.